Are you ready for some lip goodness? Here we go, I'll show you. First, we're going to make a cocoa lip scrub. You need cocoa butter, apricot oil, cocoa powder, and sugar. Just 4 ingredients. Easy peasy. First off, get a scale, put a bowl in, zero it out, and put 70 grams of sugar. You can use white, brown, light brown, whatever sugar you have. Sugar is perfect for lip scrubs. And then here's some cocoa powder. You just need 1 teaspoon. You gotta mix it in really well, super fast. And then you get your apricot oil. If you don't have apricot, you can use another light oil like sunflower or jojoba or almond. You need 24 grams of apricot oil. I am so perfect at that. Okay, so then you need a little bit of cocoa butter. What this does is adds a little bit of better consistency to your lip scrub so that the oil doesn't settle at the bottom. All right, so super easy. You put in the oil in your sugar, and then after your cocoa butter has melted over a double boiler, you add it in. Mix it up really well, and it's ready. Crafter's Choice has amazing flavoring oils. I had half a teaspoon. It's amazing. Just go on their website and find a good flavor that you like. You will not regret it. It's done, guys. It's done. Pick some containers, fill them up. Don't forget to hit that bottom so that everything settles at the bottom. Now you see a little bit of oil at the top. It's okay because you are going to close this, put them in the fridge for an hour, take them out, and they'll be ready. All right, so next we're making some creamy lip balm. What you need is mango butter, jojoba oil, castor oil, beeswax, and my latest obsession, pink mica. You get a container that's glass and it has a little spout, and you cut off 33 grams of mango butter, 18 grams of beeswax, 33 grams of jojoba oil, and 15 grams of castor oil. You put everything in the container. You put that on a double boiler at low heat until everything is melted, just like this. You add some flavoring oil. I added half a teaspoon. And then I added 1 teaspoon of, guess what? Pink mica. Yup. So you add it in, stir it up until it looks gorgeous. Isn't it gorgeous? I love it. Grab your final containers, and this is why you need a container with a spout. You pour them in, fill them up. I didn't even drop anything. And ta-da! Your DIY lip beautiness. Look at this.